This old man doing stuff down here in the evening, September 2023, down to about 25-30 hummingbirds. About half of them left a couple of days ago when it got down to 58 degrees one morning. So they're in here for the evening, working on getting their evening feed. That's when you can really more or less estimate how many you have in the evening as it gets kind of dark. They feed for the last time of the day and build up their energy reserves for the night. And they're not able to get up at midnight and get a snack like we are. They get along just fine without us. We like to think that we saved them. They found fossils in Germany that are over 400 million years ago. When the birds started developing from the lizards and they became birds. There were hummingbirds around the T-Rexes doing their thing. There we go, there's a good shot. I'll pull back a little bit. There we go. Try not to make you too dizzy. That's a good shot. Yeah, they're coming in hot and heavy right now. It's just getting kind of dusky. We would consider it still daytime, but not for birds. Well, my zoomer's not zooming right. There we go. Let me see if I can do it right. There we go. There we go. That's too far away. Yep, this makes you forget about your day and come home and de-stress. Don't worry about that old traffic and the bills, and get you a nice beverage and bring it outside and smoke them if you got them. And the hummingbirds will keep you company. It's my third year at this property, so they're about done. They come every year. If you keep putting them up as early as you can, and I keep one all through the winter, just one, you'll always have hummingbirds. Well, this is nearly 4.5 minutes of hummingbirds and an old man rambling, so I'll sign off. Old man doing stuff down here in Prattville, Montgomery, Alabama, looking at the birds. Y'all take care.